Hello and welcome back to the IT Academy. Have you ever spent a lot of time perfecting the look of your spreadsheet, changing the font, color, borders, and alignment, and wished you could just copy that style to another part of your worksheet? Well, there's an easy way to do it, and it is called Format Painter. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how it works. Copying a format is a very easy concept. The idea is that you look at this and you like the way it looks. You like the size, the font, and even the background filling. And you want this to look exactly like this. So you are not copying the text or whatever value is there. You are simply copying the way it looks. So the first thing you have to do is click on one of the cells with the desired format. You don't have to select everything. Just one of them is enough. You click on one and then you go to the Format Painter icon. You click on it. Once you click on it, your mouse pointer becomes a paintbrush. You can see it. It is a paintbrush. And then if you want to apply it to one cell, a single cell, just click on that cell and that is it. It looks exactly like this. What if you want to apply it to a range of cells? You still do the same. Then you select the source, click on it, then click on the Format Painter icon, and you have the brush pointer. So you click and then you drag. You see it looks exactly like this. What does it copy? It copies the color, the size, the alignment, and the background filling. So that is that. What if you want to apply the formatting to multiple locations that are not contiguous, that are not close to each other? Let's say, for instance, you want to copy this and apply it to this total amount and then apply it to here also, skipping the column in between. In that case, you have to select the source as usual. You click on it and then you double click on the Format Painter icon. So I double click and I select or I drag here. You see, then I drag here. I'm painting. I can come this way. You see it. I can come this way. I keep painting and applying the formatting until I'm okay. So when I finish, I just press the escape key and I have my formatting applied to where exactly I want to apply it to. But one thing you have to notice is that when you are doing the first one, say you select the source and you click on the Format Painter icon, and the pointer becomes a paintbrush. Once you apply it, it changes back to the normal pointer. But when you are using the double click to apply it to multiple locations, you double click, you see that after applying it to one place, the mouse pointer is still a brush. It will keep being a brush, allowing you to paint multiple locations until you press the escape key. That is that. And that's how easy it is to copy formatting in Excel using the Format Painter. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the IT Academy for more Excel tips and tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.